What's up guys, welcome to the video. So we are continuing Project PA7 Bear Mode, and I just want to give a huge warm welcome to all the new subscribers. We went from like 9.7 thousand subscribers all the way up to 13,000 within the last 28 days, which is really cool. I'm super stoked, so I just want to give a warm welcome to you guys and a big thank you to everybody that's been subscribed along this journey. Yeah, I'm having a great time. Yes, I'm going to continue to do cheat days as well as challenges, but I'm also going to continue to do my normal daily vlogs and just like training content and basically what my life is like outside of cheat days and challenges. Today we trained, we had an upper body session, so I'm going to probably play that footage very shortly. So I'm going to do a voiceover explaining the training, what I'm doing, and then I'm going to end it with a physique update. And right now we are at Chipotle. I got a nice post-workout meal, but first you got to work out before you have your post-workout meal. So you guys gotta watch the training footage first, and then you guys can get to see what I have for the post-workout meal. Hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, and here we are getting into the workout. So today we had dips as the focus for the main compound movement. So this is my second upper body day of the week. I am still doing an upper-lower split. And so here we are doing some weighted dips. So we had 5 total sets, 6 to 8 reps here with a 4-0-1-0 tempo. And I really like the weighted dip because it's a great mass builder and you're activating a lot of muscle tissue at once. And so after every set of weighted dips, I would rest for 90 seconds and then I would do some pull-ups. So 5 total sets here, 6 to 8 reps, and I would repeat that for 5 total sets, alternating back and forth with the dip and the pull-up. Next movement, we had some incline dumbbell presses with a neutral grip, 60 degree, and so I really like this movement because it takes a lot of the stress off of the shoulder joint. A lot of people press with their elbows super flared out, and that gives a lot of tension and stress on the rotator cuff. So definitely try out these neutral grip because it work great. Then we did some seated wide grip rows, again with a neutral grip, and 4 total sets, 8 to 10 reps, alternating back and forth with the dumbbell presses with 75 seconds of rest in between. Then next we moved on to some side lying external rotation, and this is a great movement for your rotator cuff health. A lot of people avoid training the rotator cuffs, and these specific movements can really help prevent injuries. So we did 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps, and then I would rest for 30 seconds and do some lateral raises on a 30-degree incline, one arm at a time. And this is another really good movement for shoulder health and developing those rear delts. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up the workout. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And bear mode is in full effect, guys. So yeah, super stoked on my progress so far. As you guys can see, my arms and chest and back, everything is really improving. So this bulk has really been doing me well because I've definitely needed it. You know, like I spent so much time staying shredded, and look at my back already, man. It's already getting nice and wide. And you know, like I stayed so shredded for so long and just really worked against myself. And now that I can't do this pose for crap, but but now that I'm in a surplus, it's like, man, I'm really reaping the benefits and I'm loving it. But we still got a lot of work to do. I want to bring up my neck, my delts, and my traps. So let's work. I'm having way too much fun, but I like it. Okay guys, so post-workout we got a burrito bowl. So we got steak, we got white rice, we got black beans, we got corn, we got a little bit of cheese, and we also got lettuce, and also a wrap on the side. Basically, like when I was staying down with Nate down in Fort Lauderdale, we basically ate Chipotle almost every single day, so he really got me hooked. And yeah, he got me hooked with getting the bowl, and then I'll get the wrap on the side, and then kind of make a burrito, and then you have a little salad on the side. So it's been super good. So big shout out to Nate Figs, thanks bro. So yeah, let's go ahead and eat because I'm pretty hungry. Alright, cheers guys. Man, look at all those solid gains. So we are looking at roughly 29 grams of fat, 155 grams of carbs, and 59 grams of protein. So solid post-workout meal, very well macronutrient balanced. We got plenty of carbs, we got a good amount of fat, and we get plenty of protein to stimulate muscle protein synthesis post-workout. So yeah. Now we crush the rest of this bowl, and that is one solid post-workout meal. Okay guys, solid post-workout meal, and it's kind of chilly, kind of cold out right now, so I think I'm just gonna throw my hoodie on and go inside the mall and just get some steps in. I haven't had much activity lately just because I've been editing footage and just kind of hanging out, but I'm gonna get some steps in because it is good to get a little bit of activity in, and it's good to do cardio while you're bulking. Keep that heart healthy and keep that metabolic rate high. All right guys, and this mall is actually really dope. It kind of reminds me of like malls in Europe, or just like the whole structure or whatever. It looks so cool, and it doesn't really look like it belongs in the United States. But yeah, getting some steps in, a little bit of activity. And there's also a Brookstone store here as well, so I'm gonna show you guys. I'm on one of the boxes. I don't know if you guys have known that I do modeling as well, so I am on one of the boxes here at Brookstone. So I'm gonna walk over there, I'll show you guys. I think it's pretty cool. No thanks. All right guys, you ready for this? And there I am. That's pretty funny. So I figured you guys could kind of find that pretty cool. I'm still walking, probably gonna walk about 30-40 minutes. And actually tonight I'm gonna be on Primal Edge Health podcast. So we're gonna talk about like skateboarding and my uprise and kind of all the stuff that I went through and what really transitioned me into what I'm doing today. So I'll definitely leave the link for that down below. So hopefully you guys can check it out and let me know what you guys think. And then when I first started skating, like I didn't even own my own skateboard. I used to go to my cousin's house after school every day and like go to the garage, open the door, grab the skateboard, and go to the skate park all day long until it like got dark. And then I just got like, I was completely obsessed with it. I was so hooked. And okay guys, just got off the line with Tristan. The podcast was super cool. I was on the line with him for about an hour and a half, so definitely go check out the podcast. The link will be down in the description box below. And again, a big thank you to Tristan. I really appreciate you having me on the podcast. It was really fun. And now it's time to have some dinner. So we got a nice massive ribeye, we got some broccoli, and we got some sweet potato. So super hungry. I'm gonna take this meal down. Alright guys, so let's talk about bulking and cheat meals or cheat days. So I've been getting asked this question a lot lately because people have been seeing me doing cheat meals and cheat days, and can you do them when you're bulking? And it really depends on your goals. Now, my goals are very different from what somebody else's goals might be. If, you know, somebody's trying to stay lean during their bulking phase or trying to lean bulk, and I personally am just having fun. You know, I'm not so particular about hitting my macros to the T every single day. If I want to eat something out of the ordinary, I'll kind of eat it. Of course, I do eat a very balanced diet, and I prioritize, you know, hitting my micronutrient goals, making sure that I'm not being vitamin or mineral deficient. Once my goals are met, you know, then I'll have a little bit of flexibility where I'll eat something out of the ordinary. For a cheat meal or a cheat day, it really comes down to total calories for the week. You know, if you're bulking, you need to be in a surplus, a total weekly surplus. So as long as your weekly calories, you're in a surplus, then you will still be able to gain muscle optimally. But what I don't think is optimal is for you to basically be in a deficit for a lot of days throughout the week, and then just having this one high day that'll put you in a surplus for the week. That is not optimal, because you want to be consuming enough calories daily to help with recovery, and you don't want your training to suffer, you know. So don't go super low in calories throughout the week and then just having this one massive high day to put you in the surplus. That is not optimal. So basically for me, I just been playing with it, having some fun. I didn't do a full-blown cheat day last week because I did do a food challenge. So, and even like that food challenge, it wasn't like a crazy amount of calories to where it like put me way overboard. So when I do a full-blown all-out cheat day, what I will typically do is the day before the cheat day, I will just kind of calorie restrict a little bit, and then the day after the cheat day, I will calorie restrict a little bit as well. It kind of balances itself out. Like, even though, like, say I'm eating 10,000 calories on this cheat day, not all that's gonna go to body fat, you know what I mean? It's gonna go to muscle glycogen. It's gonna fuel my training sessions. I'm gonna be even stronger in the gym the following days. So you can kind of use these cheat days as almost like a little boost in performance. Every single workout, you should somewhat be progressing if you're bulking, because you should be in a surplus of calories. But yeah, if you wanna have a cheat meal and you wanna have a cheat day, you gotta kind of play with it, you know? So kind of take it slow. Start out with doing like a cheat meal at the end of the week, you know? Try to have like eat something that you want, but I don't recommend doing a full-blown cheat day until you have a little bit of experience. So you just gotta kind of play with it. Everybody's body is different, and I've really learned my body and what works well for me, and I pretty much know how fast I can recover after a full-blown cheat day. It takes a little bit, and you gotta be aware of the weight gain that you're gonna get from the cheat day. It's a lot of water water, glycogen, just more food volume in your stomach, and then your weight will come down throughout the week. But yeah guys, I just wanted to touch on that topic, and I really hope you guys are enjoying this PA7 Bear Mode series. So we're getting bigger, we're getting stronger, we're enjoying life, we're doing it all. So yeah, once again, thank you guys for tuning in, and be on the lookout for more content coming soon. Peace.